Want this? Well, as a first step, duplicate your cape. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set it to 5. Then duplicate the layer and add 10. Then duplicate the layer and add 20. Now link these 3 layers in a group. Duplicate the first layer and place it on top. Add 40 to it. Then duplicate and add 80. Duplicate again and add 160. Duplicate again and add 320. Duplicate for the last time and add 640. As a last step, add all these layers to the group. Select the group and set it to Linear Dodge. Now, you can adjust the brightness level with Opacity and Fill. If the video was helpful, I would appreciate a like and subscription. Thanks.